The Indonesian Air Force says the military plane that crashed, killing 142 people, likely suffered an engine failure. But it denied the aircraft was overloaded after civilians claimed to have paid to get on board. The Air Vice Marshal told reporters initial findings indicated the 51-year-old transport plane had failed to gain enough speed after one of its 4 engines malfunctioned. The Hercules C-130 crashed into a residential area Tuesday in the city of Medan shortly after taking off from a nearby airbase. It exploded in a fireball, causing widespread destruction. Relatives of some civilians from non-military families have said they paid between 700,000 and 1 million rupiah to travel on the aircraft. The military has denied taking payments and vowed to investigate.